Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by mapping where your data lives and why it matters. Identify accounts, linked emails, and recovery options so you can act without guessing. Once done, export copies and screenshots for legal or personal records. Make sure to store them securely offline. Use a password manager to catalog credentials and note which sites allow account deletion versus only deactivation. Begin contacting services that host highly sensitive data first, because removing those is often more time-consuming and urgent. Now follow each service's specific removal path. Delete content, then delete or deactivate the account. For sites without clear options, file a formal request to support or site administrators and document each interaction. Simultaneously, request index links be removed from search engines and submit opt-out forms to major data brokers. Persistence is key because responses can take days to weeks. Make sure to clear cached versions and check the Wayback Machine or archives that may retain copies. Finish with a thorough audit. Search your name and aliases, inspect cached pages, and confirm deletions have propagated. Once confirmed, rotate passwords, revoke third-party app access, and update recovery contacts to prevent recreation. If something persists, escalate with appeals within the platform and collect timestamps and correspondence. If necessary, contact a privacy regulator or consider legal assistance to enforce removals. A key troubleshooting tip: if you hit non-responsive sites, document attempts and use formal complaint channels to build evidence for escalation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.